Hello guys, first off this is Swagat again and welcome to my fourth tutorial. This is my fourth HTML tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you some basics style tags for the HTML elements. So in this tutorial I'm gonna first tell you about some names which have been used commonly in HTML. So first of all I will tell you that tag. I have just told you before that what is a tag, and inside the tag we just putting the value, and we can also put a tag inside another tag. So here as you see, the tag contains another tag title. So and this portion is called the element. This portion is called the element in the tag. So every tag contains an element. So here is the element. This is my title for the title tag. So up to this much is the element of the head tag. Okay, so you guys now have understood clearly what is an element and what is a tag. So here h1 is the tag and this is the heading is the element. Okay, so the first one is doc type declaration, and then it is the tag, and then it is the element inside the tag. Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you about some text styles here. Suppose I'm gonna write something here. I have to copy and paste and show you how it look like. Okay, so just a minute. I have copied something here and pasted here. I'm very lazy to type here. What I've done here, I have written font. So font is a tag. So here is the start value and here is the end value. You see guys, so inside the font whatever I have written is the element for the font tag. Are you followed? So you guys may have raised a question that then what is the color? So what is the role of color, and what do we call this thing? So this is nothing but what we call as attribute. So color is an attribute which will define the font. Font generally font means the uh, text style, or everything goes under font. So we can add attribute like color equal to orange. So let's see how it looks like in our web page. So let's save it. Okay, and let's open it. Okay, right click, open with Google Chrome. Here is it. See how nicely the font color is arranged. So let's change it to blue. Okay, arrange to blue. Okay, so you can give capital letter as well as small letter, because it is no case sensitive, it is not letter sensitive. Okay, save it. Look, see, that means this font covers this much of element. Whatever inside the element, whatever inside the tag will be stylized by the attribute for the font, but this did not make any effect on these things. So you guys followed, because I have written everything big, bold, whatever I have written inside the font, I have changed that color to blue. Okay, so I can give the size. Here is the style to write attribute size equal to, then inverted comma, then we have to write double dot. Inside the double dot we have to write something like suppose 10. Okay, save it. Let's see, refresh it. See, so from this to this level the color changes to blue and the size changes to 10. So this is how the font tag is used, and the attributes are used to stylize the elements inside the tag. Okay, so let's do something, another thing. Face equal to Arial. Okay, save it. Now refresh it. Okay, sense. I thought there's a little bit difference between the default text and the Arial text. That's why I could not recognize it. Make sure that it has been changed. Okay, so you know all about font and attributes. So we use attributes inside the stat value of the first tag. Suppose here is the stat tag of font, and here after writing the tag name we have to write the attributes. Okay, you can give space here, or you cannot, you may not give space here, so that will not that will not put any impact, but you have to give this double dot mark, as it is very crucial. Okay, now I'm going to tell you that what is these tags. So I will not tell you for each tag. I have just written everything to make it known. See, I have just written big tag. Big tag means it is for big text. Okay, so you guys see how they are changed according to their name. Actually, I have written for this purpose, that to make it make you understand what do you mean by the tags. Okay, so first, B for bold text, I for italic text, U for underline text. Okay, so I have written 2 times big. Follow guys. Okay, and TT for telephonic text, EM for emphasized text, small for small text, strong for strong text. Okay, DFN for definition text, and code for computer code text. And whenever I show you in the web page, you might get able to differentiate between the different type of texts. Okay, so let's see, let's save it. Okay, see, big text is kind of big value. Okay, so let's do something. I have to, okay, do not delete, make it 0, so size is 0. Okay, okay, now check. Why did I do this? Because I want to know the default thing. How it is. Oh, it is very small. Why did it become small? Okay, means for the Arial face, the default size is that. Okay, let's delete this attribute. Okay, save it. Now check it. Oh, no guy, actually it is the default font size. So okay, actually I have written size equal to 0, that's why it diminished the value. Okay, let's delete the things now. Fine, see, this is the big text. Okay, this is the bold text, making the bold font. This is the italic, it's predictable. An underline text, you can see telephonic text, such type of typewriter like text. Okay, then emphasized text, it is also kind of italic text. These are nearly something. And then small text, strong text, definition text, computer code text, sample computer code text, keyboard text, variable, and citation. So these are the different type of text styles used for styling the text. Okay, so here you have seen that one thing you have noticed, that whenever I write the size 0, so it reduced the default size of the fonts to a minimum size 0. But if I am not writing anything here, it is being by default adjusts the size, means there is some size like 4 to 5 like that, but it is not displayed here. I have not written anything, but by default it chooses that size. It is a default size. So thanks for watching this tutorial. So I hope you have enjoyed a lot and you have find this educational and entertaining. Please let me know for anything you want to know about this. If you have any doubt, please raise a comment in my YouTube video site. Thank you.